You guys went through that whole bucket already?
James, grab one and try to get me with it.
Go try to get Daddy. Go chase Daddy with it.
Oh, man. We have the whole bucket.
Go get Daddy. Guys, go get Daddy.
We the whole bucket now.
Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy. Oh, you're fine. Stop. Oh, poor Max. No, those are Max's. Put him down.
Max took some of those.
Oh, he did. Okay. Look at James trying to do it. Oh. That's what you get for trying to get Mommy. Careful! Ah! Careful, Max.
Throw it.
Ow. Yeah, I didn't see that one coming. Austin! What is wrong with you? Yeah, go ahead.
Tyler, get one of James.
Did you guys go through all 3 bins of those?
Oh, stop. You get one free shot each. Oh, James. Oh.
Can you blow out some more?
What do you want?
Blow out some more.
Some more. It took me a half hour to gut those up, and it took you guys 3 minutes to throw them off.
Awesome.
Tiger one.
I got one over the head.
Oh, it's here.